You sit down on that beautiful couch and you take a look at your bank account. How much money do you earn? Just look at your bank account and see the numbers. You're feeling so proud of yourself because you just had a day where you truly did what you truly, truly loved. All your needs are met. You're doing an impact. You're so happy. And suddenly you see your dream partner is coming in, coming home to you, your dream woman or your dream man. They are smiling at you. They are giving you a hug, and they are so proud of you. You just feel so much love towards yourself, towards your partner. You're sitting so happy together, and you have everything you want. Just feel that feeling. How does it feel to have everything you want in life with no limitations? Then you go back and watch that mirror. You go back and you stand in front of that mirror. And you see yourself with the best, with the body that you dream having, with the clothes, with looking so good, so confident, so powerful. And that version of yourself in the mirror has a message for you. They want to tell, what would your future self tell to you right now? What would that best version of yourself tell to you right now? Just open your heart and listen to that, what they have to tell you. You take the advice and imagine that version of yourself in the mirror, getting out of the mirror and connecting with you. That version is you already now. You can be that version now. Imagine how you connect with that version from the mirror. Just went inside of your body. Just feel this confidence, this happiness, this courage. How would the best version of yourself act? How would the best version of yourself walk? What type of food they will eat? Would they feel worthy investing in themselves? Circulating the money,